Yo, what's up guys? We're back here at the garage with an update. Brzezicki Brother Performance coming at you. So we're working on the steering setup and the rack with the Maxim Motorsports solid bushings. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the mods you have to do to install everything. So here we go. So it comes with pretty good instructions. You got the K-member instructions. Solid bushing instructions are pretty good. So as you can see, if you're reusing the stock K-member bolts, it's saying you have to cut them. So I went ahead and cut one of them already. As you can see, it's cut, so there's no interference when putting them on. So we got the rack off, the lines, we got the old bushings out, which they're pretty beat up. And then these are the solid Maxim Motorsports bushings that you have to run with the K-member. So they'll go in the holes right there, and that one right there. That's where they'll go in at. So I cleaned the rack up a little bit. You know, it ain't too fancy. And then this line right here, if I could remember, hooks right into this line from the Hydro Boost. And I don't think I will have any problems, but if it does, we'll have some updates because we're about to get the rest of the steering setup finished. I still need a couple parts, steering shaft and a bump steer kit, which I'll get down the road when I can get them. But this is a little update of where I'm at, what I'm doing. So there you have it. Keep hitting that like, share, and subscribe button to keep tuning in. Till next time, peace, fellas.